probably later than everyone else, but for Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 I've decided to upgrade my old PC, and I went with the GeForce RTX 3060 with 30 gigs of GDDR6 PCI Express 4 GPU. I think I got it at a pretty good deal, just under 300 USD. So I'm not very accustomed to buying hardware, and but I decided to do a little unboxing to have at least to have a memory for myself in the future that I did this. So here it is. Ta-da! A very nice case. And here is the beautiful little GPU. I hope one day to afford the new 5000 series, probably in 4 to 6 years, but here it is. Not much to it. A thank you note. I don't know what is this, a Pokemon card. I don't know what is this. And let's see, probably I should have worn gloves, but here it is. I'm a bit nervous. Oh, should I remove this film? I should move. Oh, no. I don't even know how to remove this. Here it goes. It sounds like I'm pleasuring myself, but I'm not. Believe me. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, there's some film also here. Very nice. Very nice. And here is the new PCI 5 slot. I went to the MSI Pro Z79S motherboard, the newest, a little bit new model, with in preparation for future GPUs. Okay, thanks for watching.